We've all flown. We trust the process, the crew, the machine, but beneath that calm exterior, the friendly smiles and the smooth journey lie secrets. Things airlines and crew never tell you. Not because they're malicious, but because, well, some things are just better left unsaid. Until now. Get ready, because today we're exposing the shocking flight secrets that could change how you view air travel forever. Stick around. Your safety and comfort might depend on it. You think an emergency landing is a dramatic, chaotic event. Often, it's not. Pilots frequently perform what they call precautionary diversions, or expedited landings for minor issues. A strange smell, a warning light, a slight change in engine readings. Quick fact: most precautionary landings are for minor technical issues, not emergencies. Pilots are trained to act early for your safety. They'll land the plane earlier than planned at the nearest suitable airport. You might just hear it's a technical issue or weather diversion. Why the secrecy? To prevent panic. It's for your safety, but the real reason for the quick landing often remains undisclosed. Listen carefully to the captain's tone, not just their words. A slightly more formal, less chatty announcement about a technical stop can sometimes signal a very minor issue they're quietly addressing. Ever wondered why some flight attendants seem to disappear for long stretches on ultra-long-haul flights? No, they're not just hiding in the galley. Many larger aircraft have secret crew rest compartments, hidden bunk beds, sometimes above the main cabin, sometimes below. These aren't luxurious, but they're essential for crew fatigue management. Why don't they tell you? To maintain the illusion of seamless service and prevent curious passengers from trying to find them. These rest periods are crucial for crew alertness, especially in emergencies. Some crew rest areas are so well hidden, passengers have flown hundreds of times without ever realizing they were directly below or above sleeping crew members. Many fear recycled air on planes. Here's the truth. About 50% of the air in the cabin is fresh air pulled from outside, compressed and cooled. The other 50% is recirculated through HEPA filters, which are actually more efficient than filters used in hospital operating rooms, catching 99.9% of airborne microbes. So, while it feels dry, the air itself is often cleaner than what you breathe in a busy office building. The secret isn't that it's dirty, but how often people misunderstand its cleanliness, leading to unnecessary worry. Stay hydrated. The low humidity on planes is the real culprit for feeling unwell, not necessarily dirty air. We're all told to put phones on airplane mode. Is it really that critical? Modern aircraft are far more resilient to electronic interference than older models. The actual risk of a single phone causing a crash is extremely low. So why the strict rules? Primarily, it's about cumulative risk from many devices, potential interference with older systems, and distraction. But mostly, it's about discipline. If passengers can't follow a simple rule, how will they react in a real emergency? It's better to have universal compliance. The secret? It's often more about protocol than immediate danger. A common pilot joke is that if phones really crashed planes, airports would be falling out of the sky every day. You see the fasten seatbelt sign and you brace for turbulence. But sometimes, that light comes on for entirely different reasons. Pilots might activate it if they anticipate climbing or descending through crowded airspaces where sudden maneuvers are possible, or if they expect air traffic control delays where the plane might sit on the tarmac for a while. It's a proactive safety measure, not just a reaction to bumps. The secret? It's often a signal for any situation where unexpected movement, however slight, could occur. Always keep your seatbelt loosely fastened, even when the light is off. Unexpected turbulence can hit without warning. Ever been told your preferred meal choice isn't available? It's not always bad luck. Sometimes it's a strategic move. On certain routes or with specific airlines, crew members have priority meal choices, or if there was a last-minute change in catering, they might prioritize specific passengers. For example, those with special dietary needs, or even premium class passengers if they run short. The secret here is that inventory management is a complex dance, and sometimes the best choice is reserved or simply runs out faster than anticipated due to unforeseen circumstances. If a specific meal is crucial, consider pre-ordering online or directly with the airline well in advance of your flight. Many fear the cruising altitude, but aviation statistics reveal a different truth. Takeoff and landing are statistically the most dangerous phases of flight. Over 80% of all aircraft accidents occur during these periods, often within the first 3 and last 8 minutes of the flight. This isn't meant to scare you, but to highlight why cabin crew are so vigilant during these times and why all electronics must be stowed. The secret is that this short window requires maximum concentration from pilots and crew, and maximum compliance from passengers. Pay extra attention during the sterile cockpit rule. No non-essential communication during these critical phases. You see them serving drinks, but your cabin crew are highly trained emergency responders. They are drilled in first aid, CPR, emergency evacuations, firefighting, yes, even onboard fires, and even basic security measures. They know how to deliver a baby, manage a heart attack, and get hundreds of people off a burning plane in under 90 seconds. Their primary role is your safety. The excellent service is secondary. The secret: they are literally lifesavers in the sky, ready for anything, even if you never see them in action beyond serving coffee. That pre-flight safety briefing? They could do it in their sleep. It's for you. Watch it, even if you're a frequent flyer. So there you have it. 8 flight secrets airlines rarely tell you. Our goal isn't to make you nervous, but to empower you with knowledge. Understanding these hidden truths can actually make you a more informed, relaxed, and safer traveler. You'll appreciate the incredible professionalism of the crew even more. Did any of these secrets surprise you? Let us know in the comments below. Which one was the most shocking? If you found this video insightful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more essential travel tips and insights, and share it with anyone who flies. And remember, for any flight delays, cancellations, or lost baggage, my SkyHelp is here to help you get the compensation you deserve. Visit MiskyHelp.com today. Thanks for watching and fly safe.